Galactic Free Press Daily Update 5/8/12. Bringing humanity home, energy and event update, huge waves of love hitting the planet. Greetings, love beings. We arrive with a short update as we prepare for huge waves of love to begin penetrating the planet in deep ways, with a little help from the sun. We have entered into the last day of releasing the old energies of separation and integrating the love energy which arrived on our 5/5 love event. This energy is to assist humanity to free themselves from the chains of the illusion forever. This is per love's request. All the events are unfolding are per divine decree, as Mother Earth Equal Heart requested and prayed for on behalf of herself and all of humanity. This must be honored by the Galactic Federation of Light and backed up by the Creator. We are going to have some interesting energies arriving to us via our Father's Sun. We will have several M-class and C-class solar flares coming our way. These will be hitting the magnetosphere around the same moment we enter a solar wind stream. This is going to be very exciting energies and will assist us energetically into a series of synchronistic events towards our outcome of a planet Earth Equal Heart as a blue star seed nation. We will be reporting these events as they unfold. This is our responsibility as fully conscious beings to report the present moment of now. We are your examples of truth, love, equality, true family, and oneness. Thank you for remembering us. We continue to have many saying to us, there's nothing going on. They cannot feel changes. They cannot see the changes. The video below is the proof and validation which shows, indeed, there is something huge unfolding on planet Earth Equal Heart, and we are not here by accident. The entire destiny we have been speaking of for the entire planet and all on her is now on the fast track. Humanity has been completely activated now. There is no turning back from this point. There is only one possibility now on this planet, and this is unconditional love. We are on our way for some exciting and for some very shocking truths for many. Decreed by heaven, this is love's planet as decreed. Now a series of events will be bursting forth and unfolding. This is the divine plan manifesting now on planet Earth Equal Heart. Thank you for spreading the message to others and keeping your hearts open and staying tuned in. And transmission and all love is unconditionally. We are so in love with humanity. Love the Galactic Free Press staff, humanity's Earth allies, the company of heaven, and the First Contact ground crew team.